Welcome back, book buddies. Today we are going to read a book called I Like Trains. Let's go. I like trains. I like playing with my train. Go round and round and round the train track. I like putting all the animals on board so they can go off on a journey. These are the toy animals on the train. Sometimes I drive a train of my own. Chuff, 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 chuff. All aboard. They've made a train out of 2 cardboard boxes. And the train driver says, all aboard. I like reading books about trains. Long trains, short trains, trains with faces, fast trains, slow trains, trains in races. But the best thing of all is when we go to the station to catch the train ourselves. We buy 2 tickets and find the right platform. Look, everyone's gonna go on the train. We choose some seats by a window and then the train sets off. Through the window I see houses and gardens, trucks and cars, flats and factories, and boats on a river. I see fields and trees, horses and sheep, darkness in a tunnel, and another train whooshing by. Coo-wee! The train slows down and stops, and then at last I see Granny. Oh, they've gone to visit their Granny. I tell Granny all about the journey and draw her a picture. Look, they're drawing a picture of the train track. Wow. Then there's just time to visit my favourite playground. They're digging in the sand and there's a toy train they can play in. Wow. I love playing trains with Granny. And they're on the train saying, bye-bye, Granny. The end. That was a good book because I like trains too. Thank you very much for joining me again today. Do come back so we can read more books together. Please like and subscribe. Bye.